And for more videos, please subscribe.
Firstly, I've never won in a dance competition, and dance is something I love. So there I took the first hit. I was wondering why I had to do so much and go through so much if I was not being appreciated for my work. And then I later realized that there's a reason for everything. And so I think that was the biggest learning. Anything, even if there was going to be something which I assumed was negative, it turned out to be a lesson which was very important for me. So I think that was a huge learning when it came to dance and being part of shows and not winning, losing on my birthday, being sent out of a competition on my birthday when I turned 16. So all of that kind of, I think it started from then. But movies were not something that I saw myself doing, and I was a doctor and I was happy, med student. So I was happy but the first film happened because the director had seen me in one of those dance shows. And then I realized, okay, now comes that circle. And Rowdy Baby, when the song that we shot it in, along with Prabhu Devasa, he was the judge, or he was the one who was supposed to see me dance in the finals. So I felt like I'd come one complete circle where I danced in the same set where I'd done my dance show, and the person who had to judge my dance was the one who was choreographing the dance for me. So it was real, like how you said, there are a few things that I believe and I stand by, that it's not like I had everything figured out. I was equally insecure. I tried a lot of creams. I did literally everything, say from medicines to anything that's organic, and you have any food item, I would put it on my face, thinking, okay, now I'm going to glow. I'm going to lose my acne and all of that. But after I did my first film, Premam, I came to realize that people like my character over there. And I've always grown seeing actresses who were flawless, who were beautiful, who had, they were just perfection. You just found, you would think that these people are born to act. Yeah. And when I was even considered for the role, I asked Alphonse, do you think that I should, say, tweeze my eyebrows, cut my hair, do some makeup and all of that? He said, no, I just want you to be yourself. So I think it took a lot of confidence, that person to say that, no, you need to do this. You were very sure of what you wanted. And after the release, I found myself in a space where all those insecurities that I had fell that minute. And then I saw the children, the younger teens who felt that they were not very confident about their looks or the beauty standards that the world had created. They saw an actor being appreciated for the way she is. So